In Pennsylvania, capturing the moment part of a chocolate factory exploded. Take a look at this. Fox affiliate WTXF capturing exclusive images of the R.M. Palmer Candy Company going up in flames. The blast killing 2 people and leaving 9 missing. This happened yesterday afternoon in the town of West Reading. Fire crews are reporting at least 8 people are in the hospital. The extent of their injuries still unknown this morning. Also not known exactly what caused the explosion, but employees in the factory reported a fire minutes before.
Well, tonight we know the names of 2 of the 7 victims killed when a chocolate factory exploded Friday night in West Reading. Amy Sando and Domingo Cruz were inside that R.M. Palmer plant, unable to escape the blast and the fire that followed. Right now, crews are still on that scene tonight, beginning the cleanup and trying to figure out what caused this. Action News' Walter Perez live near the scene tonight. Walter, 1 person was pulled from that pile of rubble over the weekend alive.
That's right, Brian. Amazing but true. And now the long investigation to figure out how this could have happened is well underway.
There was an explosion there.
This cell phone video shows the horrific scene in the wake of a massive explosion at a chocolate factory this past Friday in West Reading. Today, we spoke with people who work for R.M. Palmer, who were in the factory's Building 1 when Building 2 next door exploded.
We were smelling gas in that building, too, right before the explosion. Somebody said, yeah, I think I smell gas. And right after that, everything started getting nuts, explosions. The ductwork, piping, everything was just falling off the ceiling all around me.
A lot of screaming, a lot of crying. Everybody had different reactions. I'm still in shock.
In the end, 7 people were killed, while 10 others were taken to Reading Hospital, including a woman who was found alive in the rubble hours later. West Reading Mayor Samantha Kaag says her focus now is providing resources for those who survived and for the families of those who did not.
Many other elected officials have been staples in making sure resources are available to families, employees, and anyone affected by this tragedy. And we were working together with them very personally to make sure the resources are there and coming.
Meanwhile, investigators say it could be a while before the source of the explosion is determined.
I wish I could give you a better answer, but due to the process that this takes, it's going to take some time, and to sit here and be able to give you a time frame would be unfair to everyone.
So, as you heard, several people reported smelling gas before the explosion, but to be clear, at this point, investigators have not confirmed anything. Also, 3 surrounding buildings nearby, including one with apartments, have all been condemned because of the damage done. Reporting live from West Reading, Walter Perez, Channel 6 Action News.
Si nos iban a evacuar, pero la líder, que era la que se encargaba de nosotros, dijo que tenía que decirle a la supervisora qué se iba a hacer, si nos iban a evacuar. Fue como algo increíble que yo pensaba que estaba soñando. Desde yo era una pesadilla. Yo cuando me empecé a quemar, yo pensé que era el momento, el final mío. Que por eso quise hablar, para que esto se prevenga en un futuro, con tantos compañeros que pasan por esto y no se hace nada, se deja impune lo que pasa. Y por mi compañera Judy, yo también quiero que se haga justicia, porque ella tenía 25 años en la compañía y ella dejó su vida ahí. A evacuar a gas, que se iba a hacer si nos iban a evacuar. Y le dijimos que se estaba sintiendo el olor a gas, que se iba a hacer si nos iban a evacuar, pero la líder, que era la que se encargaba de nosotros, dijo que tenía que decirle a la supervisora qué se iba a hacer, si nos iban a evacuar